At Constellation, producing clean, carbon-free energy every day is just the beginning. We believe in uplifting and strengthening our communities. This year, we are excited to launch our new Clean Environment Awards and really help support biodiversity and environmental stewardship throughout all of our Constellation Clean Energy Center communities. What we're doing here today with the Schuylkill River is just one example of more than 25 different nonprofit partnerships supporting 35 different projects across 5 states.
So today we're having a really great turnout of approximately 40 individuals from Limerick Clean Energy Center here volunteering to help clean up the Schuylkill River Trail. It's important for the Limerick Clean Energy Center to support the Schuylkill River cleanup, ultimately because this is the river that supplies our Clean Energy Center and allows us to make power.
The mission of the Schuylkill River Greenways is to connect people and communities to the Schuylkill River. The primary way that we do that is through the Schuylkill River Trail. We don't do anything at the Heritage area without partners, and one of the partners that has been really significant to our work over the last 2 decades has been Constellation. We receive funding from Constellation and other partners throughout the region, and then we re-grant those funds to go towards projects that benefit the health of the watershed itself, the water quality within the river. And so Constellation has been one of the leaders of that program since it started in 2006.
We're at the Frickslock Trailhead, which is part of the Schuylkill River Trail network, which runs from the headwaters of the Schuylkill all the way down to Philadelphia. And we are cleaning up a couple miles of section of the trail and also doing invasive species removal, which is what you see behind me here. As an impact leader, I'm able to use this platform to engage with multiple stakeholders. Today, we're engaging with Chester County Parks and Rec, Schuylkill River Trails, and East Coventry. We're really able to amplify our impact on the local community.